rainbow. Kids, here is an incomplete rainbow and without colors. Let's draw it. And fill colors to make it beautiful. Use rainbow colors to color the rainbow. Make some strokes to show the rain. Wow! It looks so beautiful!